Want amazing tech without breaking the bank? In today's video, we're showing 8 must-have gadgets under $50 that pack a punch in style and functionality. Whether you're a DIY lover or a gadget enthusiast, these budget-friendly finds are sure to impress. Let's dive in. Imagine a speaker that floats and spins in the air while playing your favorite tunes. The magnetic Levitation Bluetooth speaker delivers crystal clear sound with a 5-watt output and Bluetooth 5.1. Enjoy up to 10 hours of playback. Perfect as a unique gift or a stylish addition to your home or office. This futuristic gadget combines cutting-edge tech with sleek design. Whether for parties or daily use, it's sure to captivate everyone around. Transform your desk into a tech powerhouse. The JTEMAN cell phone stand is a 3-in-1 gadget combining a Bluetooth speaker, phone stand, and alarm clock. With flexible adjustment, it accommodates devices from 4 to 30 inches. Its Bluetooth mode powers stereo speakers with a subwoofer for immersive sound. Enjoy 9 different alarm modes and multiple playback options for added convenience. The dual alarm clock features a press-to-snooze function, automatically restarting after 5 minutes. Adjust the screen brightness from 0% to 100% to suit any environment. Equipped with Type-C input-output, it supports dual charging ports for seamless use. This advanced multifunctional wireless Bluetooth speaker is not only practical, but also makes the perfect, unique gift for your loved ones. Compact, powerful, and ready for action. The FLEXTAILGEAR Tiny Pump 2X is a 3-in-1 rechargeable mini air pump, perfect for outdoor adventures and home use. Its portable design allows you to use it wherever you go, with 5 different nozzles to meet all your inflation and deflation needs. Despite its tiny size, it packs a punch with 4 kPa pressure and 180 Li min airflow, powered by AirVortech vertical airflow technology for faster heat dissipation. This allows the pump to extract air quickly and save up to 70% of storage space. With IP44 waterproofing and 1.2 meter drop resistance, it's built for durability. The pump features 3 brightness settings with up to 400 lumens of light for added functionality, and even blows oxygen to flames, thanks to its magnetic absorption design. Perfect for camping, hiking, beach trips, or even home use for deflating storage bags and more. Effortless repairs at your fingertips. The Rartop electric screwdriver is a 35-in-1 precision tool designed for DIY home repairs and Xiaomi mobile phone fixes. With 30 high-quality S2 zinc phosphate bits, ranging from H1.5 to T40H, this screwdriver set covers all your repair needs. Its magnetic tips and built-in LED light enhance visibility, making repairs quick and easy. Powered by a 2500 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers long-lasting power for multiple tasks. The Type-C charging port ensures fast, convenient charging, ideal for precision and efficiency in every repair. A must-have tool for every DIY enthusiast. Cool down and check the time and style. The ONXE LED USB clock fan is the perfect blend of function and innovation. This fan features soft PVC blades that are safe to use and a flexible gooseneck for easy adjustment, allowing you to position the cool breeze exactly where you need it. Simply plug it into any USB port on your desktop or laptop, no driver installation required. The fan's unique LED display shows the time clearly on the fan blades while keeping you cool. Ideal for any workspace, it's a must-have gadget for your office or home. Unleash superior sound and freedom. The WEKOME VB06 Mecha Bluetooth earphones are designed for esports-level games with intelligent noise cancellation and dynamic sound. Featuring a battleship design made of zinc alloy material and an upgraded Bluetooth 5.3 chip, they support single dual ear mode usage. The 13mm large dynamic speaker delivers powerful bass with elastic mid to high pitches that are pleasant to the ear. Enjoy high-quality sound with 3-dimensional surround, creating an immersive gaming experience with precise listening and synchronized sound. Compatible with various Bluetooth devices. Unleash your gaming potential. With the AULA H530, experience the future of gaming with its tarantula wing design and mecha splicing modeling. The UV skin-friendly coating and ergonomic curve offer a comfortable grip for long sessions. Featuring dual-mode connectivity, 2.4G and Bluetooth, it meets the connection needs of various devices. Plus, the RGB Dazzle Breath Light adds a cool, UFO-like vibe to your setup. This is the perfect handheld for gamers seeking precision and style. Enhance your safety with 360-degree visibility. The FLECTR 360 twin-wheel reflectors offer all-around reflection, grabbing the attention of drivers from any angle. The dual-part design wraps seamlessly around your rims, overlapping the rim vertex for gap-free reflection in all directions. Thanks to its high-grade microprismatic technology, it ensures maximum visibility with no air drag or weight, leaving your wheel's performance unaffected. The custom 3D formable film guarantees a reliable bond without wrinkling or lifting off. Ideal for rims from 26 inches and above, the FLECTR 360 combines safety and sleek design for cyclists who want to stay visible no matter the angle. Stay visible, stay safe, and ride with confidence. Thanks for watching. Which of these gadgets under $50 caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more cool tech reviews. See you in the next video.